Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to upload a video from your cell phone straight here to YouTube so you can, share whatever with people, right? It is really not that difficult. It's pretty a simple concept, but I'm going to show you some of the things that you may need to know so you could do it the proper way. I'm going to share my cell phone right here. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the Content Creator 2 channel, do that. It's free, doesn't cost you any money. Down there, you could click subscribe and stay tuned because we got lots of videos coming up. So let's say you record a video with your cell phone. A lot of times I do recommend people to edit the videos. It's great to record with cell phone, great quality. But when you edit the videos, they do come out a little bit better. But nevertheless, there is some applications that you can get in your cell phone to edit videos. But, sometimes we just upload a video straight into our social media. So let me show you this. Again, this is going to be the Content Creator Tool channel. Right here it says plus, and we're going to click that plus, and I'm going to tell you, create a short, upload videos, go live. That's going to be kind of different to some of you guys. Depends how many subscribers you have. You have the ability to put a post as well. And again, in my main channel, I could do that. I may do a video on that later on. So I click upload videos, and obviously all your videos are going to show. The one that I'm going to pick is the one right here to the top left corner. And here's the video. And by the way, you could do some edits in here as well. So there's a couple different choices that you have there, but I'm going to click next. Here, I'm going to give it a title, and I think it's important for you to do that. Remember, titles, descriptions, and things like that is very, very important for YouTube, so YouTube can understand what the video is about and serve that video to other people. So let's put a title, just writing anything in there. Description, the same thing, just write something in there. And a lot of times, if you do this with a cell phone, the best idea for you will be to have your description copy like Google Pages or Google Doc or something like that. And then you could copy and paste to make it kind of faster, right? So you have the choice to either go public, unlisted, schedule, or private, right? I'm going to leave it on private, but obviously public right here, as you can see, you could set it up in Premiere, right? So essentially Premiere is kind of like a live stream. So if you set it up in Premiere, people can actually see it with you. You guys could interact in the comment section below. I guess the best advice for Premiere will be to go schedule. You could see down there, you could pick a time and day, as you can see right there, and then you could click Premiere. So that is going to allow people, essentially your audience, to understand that at this time this video is coming out, and they can prepare themselves to see the video. And again, once you click on Premiere, a video is going to play. You're going to have the ability to be in the comments, interact, and talk to your audience. So that's definitely very, very cool. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to go here on private. And remember, if you click on listed, that means that people that have the link could see the video. So you could click on listed, share the link, and people will be able to do it. But again, we're going to go here private. It is not made for kids. I never put a location or anything like that. And right here, obviously create a playlist and put in a playlist. The playlist is something really powerful. You should be using it. If you see up here to the top left corner, you could press there and then you will access your pictures. And obviously, if you develop a thumbnail, you should be able to put a thumbnail there. You do want to put a thumbnail as well. So again, you could do pretty much everything. You could record a video, you could upload it, you could put descriptions, titles, all that stuff. You could put a thumbnail, and it's definitely really, really cool. If you click right here where it says no, it is not made for kids, you could click right there. There's a couple different choices. Obviously, if it made for kid or not, you have to say that, but also you could do the age restriction. And I don't see where to put tags and things like that. So that may be a good idea for you to upload the video and obviously go back and put some tags in the computer. One thing that I want to mention that is very, very important here on the scheduling, never put a video public right away. The reason why is because YouTube processes the video. So a lot of times people post a video and you may lose some of that quality. So you record a video in 4K, you post it right away. The video is going to play on 360 or 720p into YouTube process that video. So a best strategy in a way is for you to upload the video and wait a little while into YouTube process that video, and then, put the video public, right? I usually schedule my videos because, I work in a calendar and I work on my content every day. So again, just something to be aware. Then click upload, and the video is going to kind of disappear here. Sometimes it's going to be like, well, where did the video go? Well, if you click here on manage video, you can kind of see the video right there. You guys saw it for about a second. It's a very quick video, so you guys can see it right here, 18 seconds, and again, it's right there, right? So it is that simple. That's just how you upload a video, schedule a video, premiere video, and pretty much do almost everything on your cell phone. And again, really powerful to have one of this. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.